Hey fanatics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a very easy eye makeup look. I didn't say that the face would be, but this is like a good, I guess, starter makeup look for you when you're going back to school. I do a little bit more with my face. Well, I mean, I did because I'm not in school anymore, but I did do a lot to my face when I was in high school. Middle school, I didn't do anything whatsoever. But this is for those who want to look good going to school. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Shaped Multitasking Palette. This is the new Urban Decay palette that just came out. I think Dove Cameron did like a little promo for it, or she's like the face of it. Not sure, but I saw something with her with this. So this is what it looks like. And you guys think that the palette opens up like that, right? Watch this. Like slides up. Isn't that cool? It's like from 2008 with like those flip up phones. I think I had that. I think I still have it too. And then like everyone was like bedazzling it. But this is what the shades look like. Very simple. Let me first prime my eyes, and I am going to then go in with my base foundation. Well, actually it's not a foundation, it's a CC cream, but it could go as a foundation. It's also this that I used before, Perbel. This is the most amazing CC cream I've ever used. Color correcting, moisturizing, makeup base, and foundation, and it has SPF 43 in it. So you could use this as like a sunscreen foundation, but you could also put concealer on top of it, and then you could layer it. So this is what I'm going to use because it's not a heavy foundation, and it's still hot when you're going back to school, I believe, and the sun is still out. So I'm going to be using this CC cream as a foundation. But I'm first going to be priming my face with my Higher Boost Neutrogena Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Putting this on my face, all over, and my neck too, just to lock in the moisture. I also love the packaging of this. It's just so satisfying. Now I'm going in with my Cetaphil lotion. And now I'm going to go in with the CC cream. Normally I would do the eye look first, but I want to get like the face over with. You could also use your fingers, which I do that, but I'm not going to for this. And now I'm gonna go in with my Dior concealer and prime my eyes, and just put it on my T-zone as well, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose. So concealer is on, and now I'm going to set that with my translucent powder, but not the whole face, because I do want to do some bronzing, and if the powder's in the way, then there's a lot of friction and it's so hard to blend. So I just set the T-zone and my eyes to prepare for the eyeshadow after. But what I'm going to do, and this is so optional, but for me, it makes me feel a little bit better. But this is a little bit more, not so much beginners, but this is not so much beginners. This is just more what I do and a lot of practice. This is a cream contour stick, and I'm just going to bronze up my face a little and my nose too, because that's just what I like to do. And then I blend it in with the other side. Make sure it's all blended in. I just like to add a little bit more shadow to where it naturally hits my face. Nothing extreme, but then I do like a little bit of a nose contour with it. And now I'm going to set that with my YSL powder, because I do want to set the cream contour in place, make sure it doesn't move throughout the day. And the same thing with the nose contour, just a little bit. I know that people are like, oh my god, why do you put that on the center of your nose, like right there? I like to. I know a lot of people are like, why? Looks like a cartoon character's nose, but I like it. for myself personally. And I'm now gonna go in with some cream blush. I'm using my beauty blender to blend that in, and it dries fast, so you're gonna have to work fast with it. Very natural pink blush, 2 swipes. And you don't have to set it, but I like to. Oh my god, how? I'm gonna set it with my By Mario powder pink blush and just set it slightly so that doesn't move. And I am gonna use some highlighter. I love using highlighter, it's my favorite. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It is a liquid, but I'm gonna just put 3 dots here, my nose. And then I have a separate beauty blender to blend that all in. Let's go on to the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Swipe right up. I'm gonna take this shade just as a transition and put it in my crease. Okay, this is darker than I expected, but I do like it. I didn't want it to be like a light shade in my crease, so this is good. And then I'm going to put this darker shade right here and just smoke it out slightly, but not too much. Just a little bit. And I think that is it for the crease. I don't want to go too crazy because again, this is like a back to school look, so I don't want to go too overboard with it. But now for the lids, I'm going to take a bit more of a shimmer. I'm going to take this shade and put it on my lids. Yeah, this is a really nice shimmer. Now I'm going to take like this navy blue shade actually. I never do this, but I'm going to just try it out. Taking this and putting it on my lower lash line. Okay, I kind of like it. I wonder if I take this cream and put it also on my lower lash line. It's a brown cream, and let's see. Oh, okay. I kind of like that better. Yeah, I like that a lot more. And now I'm gonna do a slight wing. So I'm going to take this shimmer actually, like in the corner, and let's see what I could do. And for the last shade in the palette, I'm taking this very shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. And under my brow for a little bit of this shimmer to this look. Now for some lower liner, because I know that some people like to do that. So I'm going to take just this L'Oreal Infallible lower liner. And it's really pigmented, so only one swipe on each side is probably best. And now I'm going to curl my lashes. And for the mascara, I'm going to use my Lancome mascara. And second to last, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Wherever Walnut. I'm just lining it slightly, and I don't put anything on top of that. And then I'm going to set my face using my Morphe setting spray. And that is it for the first back to school makeup look using the Urban Decay Naked Shapes palette, the new one that just came out. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna be like doing this all the time now, like swiping it up like a phone. But let me know if you guys decide to recreate this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.